Digital currencies have step-by-step swarmed the standard cognizance and built up forward movement. In any case, large numbers of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing so. Gave it sees a mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This is conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority aim, for no particular reason. Axie boundlessness, characterizing endless potential outcomes, drawing motivation from Pokémon personality-based universe. Axie boundlessness permits clients to procure tokens showing their gaming capacities, engaging, gathering, raising, and building a land-based realm for their pets. Every one of the resources in Axie hereditary information are just adaptable by outsiders that grant the whole ecospace of designers to track down the premise of their own instruments and encounters. Established as of late in 2018. Albeit the Axie convention is still in an early phase of its origin. Axie has positioned the #1 Ethereum game and stays a top decision of everyday, week after week, and month-to-month dynamic clients, being a significant income worker for Ethereum. Axie Endlessness has produced north of 6,400 ETH up till now. From one perspective, Axie represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for masses and fabricates a feeling serious areas of strength for of cutting the guide to a maintainable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie Endlessness badge of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Vastness Convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. Benefits of blockchain go past lines and limits of only the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie Vastness is set to make lives more enabled and speedy. In an exceptional manner, Axie Endlessness Convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it excess expenses or speed or pretend of agents. It completely centers around offering the clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and faultless, in this way legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Axie Vastness, the authentic information, trying to be positioned as the principal clear decision in gaming come acquiring stages. The local token acts as a definitive decision to make longs for flexible procuring prospects work out. Axie Endlessness has extraordinary help from parent Axie Vastness establishment contributes altogether to swarm deals. Nonetheless, going by the specialized cost examination, the Axie Vastness environment has shown gigantic potential, reliably exhibiting the secret potential. Axie today shows a significant recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for by notwithstanding the unfavorable digital money market patterns, contending with partners like Heavenly and Ethereum. Axie Endlessness is positioned among the main 10 monetary forms. Axie Limitlessness, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized computer of venture commendable monetary forms in light of essential functionalities. This crypto resource is yet to get some forward momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. Axie Limitlessness specialized investigation. With a market cap of $2,790,117,693.06 and an exchanging volume of $303,585,204.51, Axie Limitlessness ongoing cost activity reflects moderate remedy. The Axie cost weights around $45.88 and has many valid justifications to amaze clients according to the most recent news reports with respect to the NFT blast. Axie Limitlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 60,907,500 Axies, and the organizers behind Axie Endlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Vastness has a ton of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized investigation. In view of our Axie Limitlessness figure, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $505.41. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 1,000.59%. There is a slump anticipated in the long haul, and Axie Limitlessness might lose sheen, showing a negative sign by the start of 2023, so essentially, this is the ideal opportunity to trade Axie Endlessness or purchase Axie Vastness. Axie Limitlessness cost has a promising future. It might get hardly influenced, however bulls will be back. And around 2026, the anticipated cost of Axie Endlessness might skyrocket to $3,462.06, making it a wise speculation, and the pattern proceeds, independent of its reception. The Axie cost confronted heat until Jan 2022, going by forecasts that bulls might be back. Axie Vastness cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024, $59.06, best case scenario, showing some obstruction level, being founded on a coherent calculation. Axie Boundlessness future cost has both momentary conventions as well as long-haul expected benefits. The cost might reach $163 end of December 2022, showing a remarkable moving normal. In any case, merchants ought to do their own exploration prior to effective money management. A great deal of Axie Boundlessness projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of tasks would have been finished. Thus, an inside-and-out bullish forecast of $72 empowering brokers to procure gain to sell Axie Endlessness. Unpredictability is the innate quality of Axie Vastness. Thus, any kind of implausible value forecast would be a tough errand. Nonetheless, going by the master value gauge and opinions, the mindset looks quite certain. Since the previous month, Axie Vastness cost has mirrored a huge meeting. Will the most recent progressions assist the Axe with valuing to exchange higher? We should continue with the fair crypto conjecture for the Axe token. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, Axe token is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients. The street ahead is brimming with petals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost-taking Axie Endlessness shards to cross all hindrances scaling the $63.54 mark. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2023. Axie Limitlessness has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the Axe with instituting gain a lot greater cost of $74.11. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the Axe cost might try and see a worldview rush, and clients can acquire impressive benefit. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2024. There are many Axie Boundlessness gauges proceeding for the token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on. There are presumptions that the Axe cost might reach $81.14. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers collect the additions. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2025. Axe is dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up force gathering a huge market capitalization, their drives zeroing in on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $99.48. In a drawn-out situation for Axie Boundlessness conjecture, say around 2026, the Axe token cost is set to get pace with other digital currencies to show up at a cost of $160 plainly. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for Axe, chiefly because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Axie Endlessness will balance out to bring heroic returns for its financial backers. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2026. From the start of this current year, there is a hold of bear markets on Axie Limitlessness. The token was exchanging around its help levels, yet it has stamped gigantic potential